Coming onto all fours in tabletop, take your sit bones back, and as you step forward, bring your right foot in between your hands. Release the top of the left foot, and then begin to take your sit bones back, moving slowly into a stretch through the right hamstring. Keep the right foot flexed, toes drawing slightly back towards you. Let the spine stay long, the chest gently open, and then slowly come forward again, placing the sole of the foot on the ground. You might edge the left knee and toes slightly further back, only if it feels supported, to increase the stretch. Let the spine stay long, the chest gently open, and then slowly come forward again, planting the sole of the foot down on the ground. Step the right foot back, returning to tabletop, and take a moment to notice how that feels.